the evaluations that were done. Jayan, over to you.
So I think for want of time, I thought my role was also knocked off. But unlike Utatan and Shankar, I did not get carried away by just one speech. I was attentive to everything that was happening here. That's what happens to a man who's married for more than 26 years. So here's my take on the two evaluations, two wonderful evaluations that I witnessed today. To start with Gopinath, DTM Gopinath's evaluation of Vidya's knife-cutting, sharp speech. I love the analysis that he did because the knife cutter and the ummi was, I think, were two words that lingered in my mind even after the speech was over. And he rightfully took that right at the beginning and said, this caught my attention. So that's one. I love that. And then he went on to give the recommendations, which were mine as well. I kind of didn't understand what the 21-day thing was. So a nice pick. Sometimes we get lost when we pick the recommendations. Many times we will have 4 or 5 recommendations. We don't know which one to prioritize. Specific recommendations like this are very important rather than saying there was a huge stage, you could have used the stage and things like that, because these are very, I think they're part of the hygiene, not really part of the speech. So I love the way he picked those recommendations. Now, I have only one recommendation to him. Every time we quote recommendations, we really don't give them what could have been done. Either for want of time or want of ideas, we stop short of giving the recommendations. So that's exactly what I saw in this evaluation also. I've done it multiple times. I really don't know what to recommend. So if you could say, how could that 21-day part can be portrayed in a better way? And the next recommendation that he gave was the call for action was not clear. It was fumbled up. So you could have just said, this is how you could have done it. And that is more valuable for any speaker. So I think that's one thing that I would want to share with Gopinath sir. Summary can be anything, because you can just summarize what you just told, or you can add some more elements, because the summary part is an opportunity for us to add something that we got missed in analysis and recommendation. So we can even make use of that particular part to add some value adds there. Now coming to Geeta, this is the speech that everybody was attentively listening to. So you had to specifically pick things that were very important for the speaker. Again, the English song stood out, the Tamil song stood out, the LOVE, she was trying to hammer that on our heads, that kind of stood out. So you rightfully picked those as an attention catcher as part of your analysis. I love the way you structured the analysis, about the organization of the speech. You had mentioned vocal variety and the subtle humor that she brought in. You really didn't dwell into the crux of the speech, but you kind of dwelled into how the speech made you feel. So that's also another nice way of analysis. And then again, in your specific recommendations that you had mentioned, yes, rightfully noticed by a lot of people that there were long pauses and it was too generic. In my view, this particular speech needs some more practice, right? So again, you could have just told how to avoid those long pauses. Maybe by way of practice, you could have avoided the long pause, because usually speakers leave long pauses because they forgot what to tell next. I've done that many times. And so this happens to all of us. So you could have just told, a better practice would have made you cut short these long pauses, and specific stories would have made it feel that it is not generic. So what do I do? I think recommendations are not fault finding. They are to tell what has to be done specifically. So this is something that I really want to share every time I come as a master evaluator, I just got this opportunity. It's not particular to both of you. It is in general. I think it's applicable for all of us. All of us. Uh, yeah, so that is my take from Geeta's evaluation. Both the evaluations were really specific, to the point. I think that's what I really loved about it. Over to the TMOD.
Thank you so much, Jayan, for those insights